The food we eat has a profound impact on our health and well-being. Certain foods have healing properties that can revitalize our bodies and boost our energy levels, while others can do more harm than good. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 healing foods that can help you feel better, both physically and mentally. So let's dive in and explore the world of nutrition. No. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden-colored spice that comes from the turmeric plant. It's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its various health benefits. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce joint pain and inflammation in people with osteoarthritis. It's also been shown to improve brain function and memory. To incorporate more turmeric into your diet, try adding it to your food when you cook or use it as a spice in your meals. You can also find turmeric in supplement form. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage that's known for its numerous health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, called catechins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. Studies have also shown that green tea can help improve brain function and protect against cognitive decline. Drinking green tea can be a great way to get a natural energy boost without the caffeine found in coffee. It can also help you relax and reduce stress levels. No. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a flavorful ingredient that's commonly used in many different cuisines. It contains a compound called allicin, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that garlic can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's also been shown to have anti-cancer properties and may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. To incorporate more garlic into your diet, try adding it to your stir-fries, soups, or salads. You can also use garlic as a flavoring for grilled meats and vegetables. Number 4. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a spicy ingredient that's made from the dried peppers of the capsicum plant. It contains a compound called capsaicin, which is responsible for its hot or spicy taste. Capsaicin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Studies have shown that cayenne pepper can help improve circulation and boost the immune system. It's also been shown to aid in weight loss and help control blood sugar levels. To incorporate more cayenne pepper into your diet, try adding it to your soups, stews, or chili. You can also use it to spice up your stir-fries and other dishes. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger is a flowering plant whose rhizome or root is widely used as a spice and medicine. It contains compounds such as gingerol that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that ginger can help relieve nausea and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. It's also been shown to help improve digestion and reduce inflammation in the body. To incorporate more ginger into your diet, try adding it to your stir-fries, soups, or teas. You can also use ginger juice as a marinade for chicken or fish. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that's packed with nutrients. It's a good source of vitamins A, C, K, and folate, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. Studies have shown that spinach can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. It's also been shown to improve bone health and reduce inflammation in the body. To incorporate more spinach into your diet, try adding it to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. You can also use spinach as a substitute for lettuce in your sandwiches or wraps. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's known for its numerous health benefits. It's a good source of vitamins C, K, and A, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Studies have shown that broccoli can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, colon, and prostate cancer. It's also been shown to improve brain function and reduce inflammation in the body. To incorporate more broccoli into your diet, try steaming or roasting it as a side dish. You can also add it to your salads or smoothies. Number 8. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that's high in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and B vitamins. These omega-3 salts have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve brain function. Studies have also shown that salmon can help improve joint health and reduce the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. To incorporate more salmon into your diet, try baking or grilling it as a main dish. You can also add it to your salads or make salmon patties as a healthier alternative to fish cakes. 9. Yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product that's made from milk and is fermented by bacteria. It's a good source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Probiotics have been shown to improve digestion and boost the immune system. Studies have also shown that yogurt can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer and may help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. To incorporate more yogurt into your diet, try eating it as a snack or using it as a dip for fruits or vegetables. You can also add it to your smoothies or use it as an ingredient in recipes. 10. Apples. Apples are a popular fruit that come in a variety of colors and flavors. They're a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Studies have shown that apples can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, colon, and lung cancer. They've also been shown to improve heart health and reduce inflammation in the body. To incorporate more apples into your diet, try eating them as a snack or using them in recipes such as apple pie or applesauce. You can also blend them into smoothies or use them to make fruit salads. And there you have it, 10 healing foods that can help revitalize your body and improve your overall health. Remember that a balanced and nutritious diet is key to maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. So be sure to incorporate these healing foods into your meals and snacks. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please do. You forget to share this video with your loved ones and stay tuned for more informative content. I'm going to show you what happens to your body when you drink cold water. Now, we retold by our parents growing up that when we have a fever or when we are sick, we need to drink warm water or warm liquids. And so that's what we've been taught, and that's what we've believed for many, many years. But new research shows us that drinking cold water can actually help you boost your metabolism and burn more fat. Now, how does this work? Well, let me explain it to you right now. So 1, you will start to brown more fat. There's 2 types of fat in the body. There's white fat and there's brown fat. White fat, well, its job is just to store fat. Brown fat's job is to burn fat. So if you want to lose weight, you want more brown fat in your body. And one of the best ways to do that is to expose yourself to cold temperatures, which is not just cold water, but let us talk about cold water. First, because it's the easiest thing that you can change right away. When you drink cold water, your body gets into what's called adaptive thermogenesis. Adaptive thermogenesis is where your body tries to maintain a core temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And so what happens is that your body has to work harder to raise the temperature of the cold water to the body temperature. This causes your brown fat to kick in and burn energy to create heat. Your body burns calories to convert that cold water to a warmer temperature. This process is called brown fat activation, or recruitment. It occurs naturally in response to cold exposure, which includes drinking cold water. So again, it's not just drinking cold water, but also taking cold showers, going swimming in cold water, being outside in cold weather without a coat on. All of these things can activate your brown fat. And you know they have special studies where they take people, they put them in like a cold chamber, and then they drink cold water and they see how much more calories they burn from doing both of those things versus just sitting there with their normal temperature. And the results are pretty amazing. People burn a ton of calories and they have activated their brown fat. So you can think of cold water as kind of a natural fat burner. It helps you burn calories and it can speed up your metabolism. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is at the heart of most health problems, including high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high triglycerides, oxidative LDL cholesterol, fatty liver, etc. Improved insulin sensitivity means you'll be able to regulate your blood sugar better, keep your hunger in check, and ultimately lose weight. Now, several studies have shown that cold water immersion or cold water swimming can improve insulin sensitivity. One study found that participants who swam in cold water for 10 minutes had a 50% improvement in insulin sensitivity compared to those who swam in warm water. Another study showed that cold water immersion can increase insulin sensitivity for up to 4 hours afterwards. So, by drinking cold water, you're going to get some benefit to insulin sensitivity, but probably not as much as immersing yourself into cold water. But if you're not able to do that, then drinking cold water is the next best thing. 3. Increased norepinephrine. Norepinephrine is a hormone that helps to mobilize fat for fuel. It's released during exercise and stress, and it helps to increase the heart rate and blood flow. Some studies show that drinking cold water raises norepinephrine levels by 500%. That's a big jump, and it can help you to burn more fat while you're exercising. It also increases alertness and mental clarity. For reduced inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of all disease, and excess inflammation can lead to weight gain. Several studies show that cold water immersion reduces inflammation in the body. For example, one study found that participants who immersed themselves in cold water for 15 minutes had a 20% reduction in inflammatory markers. Another study showed that cold water immersion can reduce inflammation for up to 72 hours afterwards. Drinking cold water may also have a similar effect on inflammation, although more research is needed. 5. Boosts the immune system. Several studies show that cold water immersion can boost the immune system. For example, one study found that participants who took cold water showers had fewer sick days per year than those who took warm water showers. Another study showed that cold water immersion can increase the number of white blood cells in the body. White blood cells are important for fighting off infections. So by drinking cold water, you're re-exposing your body to small amounts of cold, and this can help to strengthen your immune system over time. You might get a little bit of a cold if you first start drinking cold water and you're not used to it, but usually this is a good thing. It's not a bad thing. You shouldn't be afraid of getting a little cold or the flu if you first start drinking cold water. 6. Drinking cold water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. One study found that participants who drank ice water before a meal ate less food than those who drank room temperature water. Another study showed that drinking cold water can reduce hunger and increase fullness. So if you're trying to lose weight, drinking cold water can definitely help. 7. Improved digestion. When you drink cold water, it can slow down digestion. This may be beneficial for people who suffer from indigestion or acid reflux. If you suffer from bloating, you'll find that drinking cold water can help alleviate the bloating. And here's a very important tip to remember. Don't drink ice water. Make sure to chew the ice. That way you get the benefit of drinking cold water while also getting the benefits of chewing on something. Chewing stimulates the body to produce more saliva. Saliva is the first line of defense against harmful bacteria. It also begins the digestive process and helps to break down food. In fact, saliva contains enzymes that begin the digestion of carbohydrates and fats. Saliva also neutralizes stomach acid, which protects the teeth and gums. Plus, it makes food taste better. Without enough saliva, eating and drinking can become painful. So based on all of this information, you can see that there are many benefits to drinking cold water. It is an easy and effective way to boost your metabolism and burn more fat. So start drinking cold water today and experience the benefits for yourself. Now, in addition to drinking cold water, I recommend making some other simple changes to your diet and lifestyle to maximize fat burning. Eat a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. These are the worst things for your metabolism. Exercise regularly, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Strength training is also beneficial for boosting your metabolism. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Manage stress effectively. High levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, can lead to weight gain. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as yoga, deep breathing exercises, or meditation. Consider intermittent fasting. Fasting has been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Try different fasting methods such as daily time-restricted feeding or periodic prolonged fasting. These are two of my favorite methods. Don't smoke or vape. These habits can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. Quitting smoking can actually help boost your metabolism. So by following these tips, you can create an optimal environment for fat burning and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember that everyone's body is unique, so it may take some trial and error to find the best approach for you. Keep in mind that the best plan is one that you can stick to long term. Sustainable lifestyle changes are key to keeping the weight off for good. If you're looking for additional support on your weight loss journey, consider working with a qualified healthcare professional or a certified health coach. They can provide personalized guidance and help you stay motivated and accountable. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. I love you guys. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.